believe in reincarnation.
In past lives, I keep seeing my beloved.
If you are reincarnated, it's because there's something you're missing.
What ails thing? I am missing something.
Is it your dildool, mistress? For I found it under the bed.
It is not mine.
It's like we're meant to be together,
For the love of my lives.
but we keep getting separated. You do not want me to be enlightened.
What good is an enlightened woman?
This is making you unhappy.
You just don't understand love, mate.
You look like an arse.
It's so hard. Do you not like it?
No.
You die so he doesn't have to. Maybe it's time to turn the tables.
I don't want to die.
It doesn't hurt that much.
Till death do us part!
That's a lie. It does really, really hurt. Do you think you'd recognise me if you hadn't seen me for a really, really long time?
Where have you been?
Changing my fate.
Looks like you just, I don't know, had a perm?